Yo. So, in this video, I'm going to be making a backtesting session, doing different months, just picking a random month, and yeah. So we'll pick a random month. I feel like I did that. May, don't remember May of 24. I don't remember backtesting that. So we'll do May of 24. I like to emulate Express accounts, so we're doing do one. This will be in queue. This will be one continuation. May of 24. So we're going to do 24, May 1st. 24, May 31st. Alright, create session. Hopefully this isn't back to normal. I'm just going to be doing 5 trades. If I said that. Oh shit. Alright. So we do have these highs here. The 1 hour seems to be bullish just based off the overall trend. I don't know what this was. This looks to be news. So again, we're just going to wait for price to displace one way. So it looks like we're displacing lower, which is probably a little more ideal. So that being said, okay. So I'm going to take this. This looks pretty clear to me. So this would be an insta break even. So I'll probably get break even on this. Not. Yeah, I'm gonna break even there. What the fuck is happening? Okay, sell limit. Hold on. Okay. Beautiful. Draw on liquidity. Break even. Beautiful first trade. Alrighty, so reason for this trade is pretty simple. Price sets in this strong close. Draw on liquidity, in my opinion, is confirmed based off the higher time frames. And what do I see? We get this nice pull back up and we get a nice flip down. Ideally, I put my stop at this high because I don't want to see price come and resweep me out. And yeah, simple. Good way to start the video. So there's the first trade we'll take. Okay. Hourly. Looks pretty bullish. Okay, so we took this high, next high. I don't really like those draws on liquidity. Price was kind of in a range. It's not for me. But if we can get an entry higher, I would be prone to taking that. 1009. Kind of just chopping. Okay, go to the next day. Here we go. So clear draws on liquidity. Price is clearly trending higher. Set in this rebalance leg here. So we will see what market open does. Honestly, I like higher prices. This is a nice flip in my opinion. We have a clear draw on liquidity. Yeah, take this. I'm gonna go break even. There. This might get break even. I don't like how we're delivering. Kind of just not flushing through highs. Okay, what time is this? 10:44. this next candle does not deliver us higher above this high, I will just manually close this because I don't want to sit through another hour chop. Okay, I'm literally just gonna close there. I don't want to hold this all day. I mean, holy shit. It's just like, bro, what are we doing? Okay, so this looks pretty solid. We have this drawn liquidity up here. That price is clearly trending towards. We do have this low that we set in overnight in this 4-hour gap. Okay. So yeah, this looks like a range. Okay, so price dumps overnight. We do have this clear drawn liquidity. We kind of disrespected this bullish structure. So ideally, if we can get an entry, I would be happy with that. So we do have this little 1 minute gap. I can see us disrespecting. We'll go on the 30-second. Guess those candles don't fucking work. Okay, so looks like we're continuing higher. So it looks like we're continuing higher. Honestly, probably could have taken a long to this unfilled hourly. But I was just so convicted in shorts that I didn't really see that, to be honest with you. So we do have that. I mean, I don't think we're going to deliver that high. Maybe. Okay, well, now in my opinion, the drawn liquidity is confirmed. So if I can get filled, somewhere in this general range. Okay, well, I end up not getting filled, but that's fine. It's just trading. I was just so convicted in my shorts that I kind of disregarded this, sadly. But I guess the ideal entry there is right probably about here after resetting this rebounds leg. Stops below here, targeting the high. Well, you're gonna miss trades. The only thing you can do to protect yourself is not get FOMO. So here again, still pretty bullish. I want to see us expand above this high. So let's see. Sadly, we had data lows here, and I just faded that. But if we can get a kind of confirmation maybe towards this drawn liquidity like that, I can see us taking, if we can get a retrace. Okay, so not fucking with that retrace. I do like that candle closure down, not gonna lie. That's a lot of rejection. That's a strong hourly close towards our draw. Yeah, I'll take this. This looks pretty nice. Honestly, if I can get like a better risk to reward, potentially. So if I can get filled there. And then I'll go break even at that low if opportunity presents. So I'm gonna go break even there. And target that drawn liquidity. So I guess my drawn liquidity was wrong. So we'll move on. How many trades is that? So we've taken 4 trades. That's fine. Okay. So price still clearly looks to be bullish in my opinion. We have a strong draw on liquidity. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Okay, so we just took that draw off rip. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Okay, well, this draw looks confirmed in my opinion. So what I'm gonna do is just set a limit, not there, somewhere in here. And if I happen to get filled, I happen to get filled. Because ideally, I don't want to see price come below here. So there it is. So, looks like we just had the wrong draw on liquidity. Or maybe ES took the high. I'm not really sure, but I like this trade a lot. We're clearly confirmed draw on liquidity. We have this nice retrace here. We get this nice retrace up, so I'm betting on the fact of this 1 minute holding. And yeah, for 1-to-1, but I guess we don't get it. And we want to be bearish. So if an opportunity for a short presents itself, so this is another one. Okay. I'm gonna up my risk on this just because ideally if my draw is correct, I want to see this next candle flush lower. Okay. Alright, there we go. So, thought process behind this trade is price is clearly bullish. We flipped the trend. Obviously, we failed to take this draw on liquidity, and we're disrespecting this bullish structure, right? So we get this nice close through this 5 minute gap, and we get these close below these lows. So then I'm just like, all right, I just need a retrace and a flip. We get this nice retrace, we get this flip, and ideally I don't want to see price set in another retrace and stop me out. So I put my stop there and target this draw on liquidity here. And not my risk just because my stop loss is so tiny. So we will do one more trade. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Kind of just ranging in my opinion. Woly woly. So ideally if this holds, so we take that. We're just dropping, go to the next day. Okay, so this looks pretty clear. We already swept out data highs. Just looking for any confirmation lower. Okay. Now I'm going to take this. This seems a bit riskier to some, but for me this just seems normal. And yeah. We'll risk. Okay, we'll just risk the whole account on it. So I think that's there. I can't aim my own in my head. See this many times a night. Na 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 na. Alright, so these shorts look pretty good if we can get some confirmation lower. like that at all. We do have these data highs here, but we already swept them. We didn't sweep these. So, I don't know. I guess we're just bullish that day. So we'll go to the next day. So we're clearly trending towards this strong liquidity. Overall trend is a little more bearish. Alright, I'm going to take this. I like that displacement. Can I get a 1-to-1? DLA? No, I can't. So I don't. Yeah, so we're rejecting that low. We have this high here, honestly. Oh, that's my stop. If I can get filled here, that would be nice. Okay, we get filled there. I'm very, 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 very confident in this trade. I'm going to go break even. Beautiful. Good way to end off the video. So, simply fact, reason for this trade, we get this nice strong 5-minute close. Ideally, I don't want to see price come below this low because it's the point of rejection, and we obviously rejected this low, so more than likely we won't sweep it. And I also don't want to see this low here get swept. Honestly, it was a bad trade idea just because it's the low we set into this bullish gap. And we have clear draws and liquidity higher. We're clearly bullish, so I just enter off a 1-to-1 pretty much. Get filled in and almost get stopped out of this candle here. But we end up taking our take profit. Yeah. We had an 83.33% win rate. Oh man. Simple stuff.